Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. Here in this video we are going to discuss about some of the stock market tips that I have experienced and I want to share with you. So here are the top 5 tips that I am going to give you, and those are uh, let's get into the video. So the first stock market tip I want to give you is master one technique. Yes, you heard it right. It was not a tip you may be think, but it's the best thing you should have to do. Just master one technique. Like every trader and investor has different ways of trading and investing, and different ways they have. Every trader and investor have different ways. They have different strategies. They have different point of view in their charts, or in their analyzing a chart, or analyzing a stock, or analyzing everything. So there are like price action, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and so many things which are working out in stock market. So the main thing is everything works in stock market, so you should not have to mix all those things, like getting technical analysis in price action and taking price action into fundamental. This makes it worst, and you don't get any opportunity, or you don't get any uh, opportunity to trade in it. So just master one technique. Take a price action. For example, I am a price action trader, so I recommend you to take a price action. It will be simple, but technical analysis and fundamental analysis, you should need to analyze a stock fully. So that's it takes a lot of time, so that's why I go to price action for trading. So price action is nothing but taking a chart and looking it and seeing the knowing the basics of stock market, like candlesticks, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, uh, bullish pattern, doji, morning star, evening star, shooting star, uh, like this candlesticks, and some strategies like ascending triangle, symmetrical triangle, descending triangle, and like that, and a flag patterns. Like these are simple patterns which have a good risk reward ratio, so that's why I follow them. So when you take this price action, you only focus on some strategies that you backtest it, and uh, you backtest it, and you just paper trade it, and then you uh, test it in a real market. So that's why professional traders make money. So just master one technique in which you are good at, and just follow the trade plan of what you are trading. So this is my first tip I want to give you, just master one technique. And the second tip I want to give you is be disciplined. Yes, you heard right, be disciplined. Discipline means that you should have to stick to your plan, which is whatever it may be. When you example for example, when you are a price action trader, when you see the chart and you see the buy price, and you see the target price, and you keep a stop loss, which is a good risk reward ratio, and you want to enter a trade, and then at a certain time uh, the target may be crossed or hit, or the target didn't reach it, it was in a sideways market, and it was testing your patience. So you then exit it out, so without knowing and without simply calculating in your mind that this will gonna go back, and you will see different time frames, and your mind will get worse and worse. Then you feel like that you have lost everything, that you don't have any knowledge, uh, that you are out of it. So like this happens every time when a trader or investor who always watch the chart when they are trading, uh, they always seems like they backtest themselves. They always think they are not good at it. So don't be like that. Just master your just be in discipline. Like that means when you enter a trade, if a stop loss hits, then exit. If a target hits, then exit. It may be a loss or profit, you should be with the same discipline that you have first fixed. So by this doing continuously, if you have a good risk reward ratio of 1:3, then when you enter a trade, like a certain times, rolling, if you get your stop loss hit 3 times, and fourth time if you get a target hit, then you will be still be in profit. So that's why you should be in discipline of what you are doing. You should have to follow your plan, and you should have to trade wisely. So this is a second tip I want to give you. And the third tip I want to give you is uh, know the better psychology of money in the market. Yes, you heard right. Just know the better psychology. There is a quotation in stock market that is, bulls and bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. It means either bulls buyers make money, either bears sellers make money, but pigs get slaughtered. Means whenever a buyer is entered, he takes his target or stop loss and exit. Whenever a seller enters, he takes his target or stop loss and exit. He does it continuously by discipline and knowing the psychology of money. But the pigs who are as novice traders who don't know anything but they want to become rich overnight, wants to trade in everything they see, and they end up blowing their account. So don't be like pigs. Just you may be right or wrong, just make profit and exit. That's all the stock market is. So don't always think more about it to master the stock market or like that. No one is ever mastered the stock market. So just take uh, just end of the day or end of the month or end of the year, just being profitable. That's how you become rich, or that's how you will be successful in stock market. So this is a thought tip in I want to give you. Just master the psychology of stock market and the money. And the fourth tip I want to give you is, don't be emotional when you are trading, and don't be emotional when you after trade also. This is also explained in second discipline. The don't be emotional means, like when you are trading, you followed your discipline, you got a target, you got a stop loss, and you entered, and you are checking the chart wisely. So this is a good thing. But when you go to your portfolio, while your price when your portfolio money is going green red, you feel like for no reason you feel like it's gonna go or end and it's gonna stop loss it, but the chart shows you that it is in your direction, but you for no reason, for without your education, for what you learn, you go against it and you feel like it's going against you, and then you sell it with a minimum profit or minimum loss, and the next few minutes it maybe goes to target hit and goes by the higher than high for the target. So just don't be get emotional. And if you also get like example, another example is, one day you are in a profits, that means you excited and you feel like I am the master of the stock market or something like that, and you feel very excited, and the second day it may be stop loss, it means which you were ended the day with a loss, then you feel like you have lost everything, you have exhausted, and you feel very sadly. Don't get these emotions in trade and outside the trade. Just be the same when you are in profits, or be the same when you are in losses. Just don't get too attached to it. Just make a profit or make a stop loss, then exit. We still have tomorrow, right? So just feel like it, that's all. So don't be emotional in it, it gains nothing. So don't get your emotions into it, and don't get too attached to it. That makes your life miserable. So this is the fourth tip I want to give you. Just enjoy the life. If you get a stop loss or target hit, just I suggest you to go to a trip, or like just go for a ride, go for a coffee break, or go for a restaurant for a dinner, nice dinner or something, go for a park, go for a wherever you feel like it will be good and you feel good for the next day to trade again. So just don't be emotional and don't get too attached to it. And the fifth one I want to give you is, don't be a novice trader, be a professional one. Because these four tips I gave you, the novice trader won't the novice trader will compulsory neglect those four I gave. And the fifth one is, those four who follows is a professional one. This is a simple method I can explain. Means the novice trader is a trader who don't follow his plan, who always gamble everything, and he also all mix up everything, and at the end of the day he blows his account. So don't be a novice trader, be a professional one. Just be a professional is not a tough task. You should have to make a plan. You should have to, like I said, you should have to have a just master one technique, and then you should have to have a one plan, and you should have to back test it and practice it, and then test it in the real market, and then you should have to know the discipline of it, how to trade, when to trade, and when to take stop loss or when to take target, like that. And you should have to also know the psychology of stock market or money. So that's how I told one quotation, right? So that's how it works, and don't be emotional to it. So those who do this end up profitable at the end of the day, at the end of the month, at the end of the day, if you know minimum basics also. If you know minimum basics like candlesticks or something, like one strategy or one pattern or something else like that, if you follow a strict discipline, you will be profitable at the end of the day of your trading. This is what I am saying. So don't be a novice trader who always who always wants to know everything and end up being